My dear students, today our topic is sex determination. What is sex determination? The process by which the sex of a person is determined. A person can have a male sex or female sex. And determination of sex that can be non-genetically or genetically. This means either genes can play role in determination of sex, or sex determination can be even without role of genes. Like in some animals, sex is not determined by genes but it is controlled by environmental factors. In some animals, sex determination that is determined by environmental factors. For example, in some reptiles like turtles, crocodiles, sex is determined by the temperature at which fertilized egg is incubated before hatching. For example, in turtle, high temperature leads to development of female offspring. And in case of lizards, high temperature results in male offspring. Got it? This means sex can be determined even without the role of genes. But sex determination can be genetically, like in humans, genes play a role in determination of sex. This can be explained as follows. The chromosomes which determine the sex of a person, they are called sex chromosomes. You know that there are 46 pair of chromosomes. Out of 23 pair of chromosomes. Out of, this means 46 chromosomes. Out of 23 these 46 chromosomes, 44 chromosomes are autosomes and 2 chromosomes are known as sex chromosomes, or we can say allosomes. These sex chromosomes, they can be of two types. One is called X chromosome and other is called Y chromosome. A male, or we can say man or father, has one X chromosome and one Y chromosome. This means half the male gamete of, or half the sperms. You know, sperms are male sex cells. They will have X chromosome and the other half will have Y chromosome in case of males. This means in males there are XX chromosomes, X and Y, and in mothers there is X and X. A female or mother has two chromosomes, X chromosome, X and X2 X chromosome, but no Y chromosome. This means all the female gametes called ova, or we can say egg, will have only X chromosomes. The sex of a child depends on what happens at fertilization, or we can say what happens at gamete formation. If a sperm, what is sperm? Sperm is a male sex cell, or we can say male gamete. If a sperm carrying X chromosome that fertilizes with an ovum or egg which carries X chromosome, then the child will be a girl. Or we can say female, because it's her chromosomes, or we can say at that time gamete, or we can say zygote, that has XX combination of chromosomes. This means at that time the child born will be a girl. This is because child will have XX combination of sex chromosomes. If a sperm carrying Y chromosome fertilizes an ovum which carries X chromosome, then the child born will be a boy, or we can say male. This is because child will have combination of sex chromosomes XY. Got it? This means the sperm which it is not ovum, or we can say egg, which determines the sex of a child. This means sex of a child that is determined by sperm, that is determined by the male sex cells, or we can say male gametes, because half of the sperms have Y chromosomes and half of the sperms have X chromosomes. Thus, there is 50% chance of a boy and a 50% chance of a girl being born to the parents. That's why human population is roughly half male and half females. Got it? Thus, you should remember, if a baby has a combination of XX chromosome, then it is female. Then, and if baby has combination of XY chromosome, then the baby is male. This is all about sex determination.